What's up, Circuit Point crew? Welcome back to another epic tech breakdown. Today we're diving into the sweet spot of portable gaming tablets that deliver the perfect balance between smartphone convenience and laptop power. Gaming tablets are having a moment right now, and for good reason. They give you that gorgeous big screen experience without the bulk of a gaming laptop, making them ideal for gaming on flights, in bed, or anywhere you need serious portable performance. We've tested the top contenders, and I'm excited to share our picks with you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got some incredible gaming comparisons coming up. Let's jump right into our top 5 gaming tablets that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. ASUS ROG Flow Z13. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the ASUS ROG Flow Z13. And folks, this thing is basically a gaming laptop disguised as a tablet. This beast sports a gorgeous 13.4-inch QHD Plus display running at a blazing 120 Hz with Dolby Vision support, giving you incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant colors that make games pop off the screen. The detachable keyboard transforms this from tablet to laptop mode instantly. Under the hood, you're getting the AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor paired with AMD Radeon 860S graphics. That's legitimate gaming laptop power in tablet form. But here's where it gets crazy. ASUS also offers the ROG XG mobile GPU dock that can add desktop-grade external graphics when you need maximum performance. The built-in vapor chamber cooling system keeps thermals in check during intense gaming sessions, which is crucial for sustained performance. Now, battery life is the trade-off here. You're looking at 3 to 5 hours of gaming time, but that's the price of having this much raw power in a portable package. If you want the most powerful Windows gaming tablet experience available and don't mind the premium price, the ROG Flow Z13 delivers uncompromising performance. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra moving up to number 4, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, a tablet that proves Android can be a serious gaming platform. The star of the show is that massive 14.6-inch AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate. This screen is absolutely stunning for gaming, with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and buttery smooth motion that makes every game look phenomenal. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset delivers flagship-level performance, easily handling graphically intensive titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile at max settings. Samsung's Game Booster mode intelligently manages thermals and performance to keep frame rates consistent during long gaming sessions. What sets this apart is its versatility. Samsung DeX mode lets you connect to an external monitor and use it like a desktop computer, perfect for productivity between gaming sessions. You also get the improved S Pen for creative work, quad speakers for immersive audio, and a massive 11,200 mAh battery that can handle marathon gaming sessions. At around $1,200, it's definitely a premium purchase. But if you want the ultimate luxury Android gaming tablet that can also handle serious productivity work, this is the gold standard. Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro, taking the bronze medal at number 3, the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro. Proof that you don't need to break the bank for excellent gaming performance. This budget-friendly powerhouse features a stunning 12.4-inch 3K display with a fast 144 Hz refresh rate. That's higher than many gaming monitors. This makes it absolutely perfect for competitive mobile games like PUBG Mobile and racing games like Asphalt, where every frame counts. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM ensures smooth performance even under heavy gaming loads. You're getting flagship level specs at a fraction of the cost of premium tablets. Connectivity is future-proof with Wi-Fi 7 support, and that massive 10,000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging means you can game for hours and recharge incredibly quickly. The quad speakers deliver surprisingly good audio for an immersive gaming experience. Xiaomi's Game Turbo mode optimizes performance during gameplay, and the optional magnetic keyboard and stylus transform it into a capable productivity machine when you're not gaming. For under $700, the Pad 6S Pro offers incredible value for gamers who want flagship performance without the flagship price tag. Microsoft Surface Pro 11, $345 to $445. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Microsoft Surface Pro 11. Don't underestimate Windows tablets for gaming. Powered by the new Snapdragon X Elite chip, this tablet is optimized for modern gaming workflows, especially cloud gaming services like Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Nvidia GeForce Now, and Steam Link. The 13-inch PixelSense Flow display with 120Hz refresh rate looks absolutely stunning for both gaming and content creation. While you won't get native AAA gaming without some compromises, it's fantastic for indie titles, emulation, and the growing world of cloud gaming. With fast internet, you can play full console and PC games anywhere with this tablet. The new Copilot Plus AI features make multitasking between gaming and work incredibly smooth. You can seamlessly switch from gaming to productivity tasks without missing a beat. For students or professionals who need a tablet that can handle both serious work and serious gaming, the Surface Pro 11 offers unmatched versatility. It's not just a gaming tablet, it's a complete computing solution that happens to excel at gaming too. iPad Pro M4, $445 to $545. And taking the crown at number 1, the iPad Pro M4, Apple's most powerful tablet ever, and arguably the best gaming tablet on the planet. The M4 chip is an absolute monster, delivering GPU performance that rivals dedicated gaming laptops. We're talking about console-quality gaming in a tablet form factor that's thinner than most smartphones. The 11-inch Ultra Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology delivers buttery smooth 120Hz visuals with incredible color accuracy and brightness. Games like Resident Evil Village and NBA 2K24 run flawlessly on this machine. We're talking console-quality graphics in your hands. Battery life is exceptional. Expect 9 to 10 hours of active gaming use, which is incredible for this level of performance. The entire experience is enhanced by the precision of iPad OS and the quality of App Store games optimized for Apple Silicon. Yes, it's expensive, starting at $999, but for gamers who also want pro-level performance for content creation, media consumption, and multitasking, this is simply the ultimate tablet. The ecosystem integration, build quality, and raw performance make it worth every penny. The iPad Pro M4 isn't just a gaming tablet, it's a glimpse into the future of portable computing, where tablets can truly replace laptops for many users. And there you have it, our definitive ranking of the best gaming tablets you can buy in 2024. Whether you want Windows power, Android versatility, or Apple's premium experience, there's a gaming tablet that perfectly fits your needs and budget. Remember, the best gaming tablet for you depends on your specific gaming preferences, ecosystem choice, and how you plan to use it beyond gaming. All purchase links are in the description below, and we've secured some exclusive deals for Circuit Point viewers. What's your current portable gaming setup? Are you Team iPad, Android, or Windows? Drop a comment below and let us know which tablet caught your attention. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We've got some incredible gaming hardware reviews and comparisons coming up that you absolutely won't want to miss. Thanks for watching Circuit Point, and I'll catch you in the next one where we dive even deeper into the world of portable gaming.